Hi guys, I'm just popping in suddenly without any intimation. मैंने पहले कुछ intimation नहीं दिया कि मैं live आने वाली हूँ, but I wanted to just say something. And ये बात मैं पहले नहीं बताना चाहती थी, but I have no choice but to come out because a lot of you are writing complete crap on my stand against Riya Chakraborty or Chakravarti or whatever the heck her full name is. So I just honestly did not want to bring this out because I didn't want to involve the name of anybody who is a professional. But I'll tell you this: I was supposed to do Nautanki Sala with Rohan Sippy sir. I had backed that film. I was supposed to do Sita's character, which later the gorgeous Evelyn Sharma did, because I was shooting for another film और मेरे dates clash हो गए. And I couldn't do it, but I had the regret of not being able to work with Rohan sir, and then they called me again for Sonali Cable for a role where I was supposed to play this sexy seductress is sexy, but whatever, I was supposed to play a seductress, and I was supposed to basically, the character was supposed to be a small character. I had just 3-4 दिन का part, but I don't believe in the length as such. I mean, if it's a glamorous, eye-catching character, then I think you get noticed. So I was supposed to do that. मुझे मेरे casting director अभिषेक जी ने बुलाया था. मैं directly गई rehearsals के लिए. एक look test के लिए मुझे बुलाया गया था. श्री कृष्णा बिल्डिंग है यहाँ पे in the same lane as Yashraj. And I went there, and this Riya was there, and I remember that I went up to her and I just said a hi because there was a break and she came out, and she was extremely rude. Like, she just looked at me and she was like, and then she went and she started clicking her pictures on a selfie. So I did not want to talk about this because right now, honestly speaking, the only reason I spoke about her is because truly I didn't want to divert the attention from Sushant's death, and I honestly do believe in that cause. But you guys, do you really think that I'll be a person who will just make random claims without facts, without a first-hand experience or something? आप लोग मेरे Instagram पे मुझे follow करते हैं, आप मेरे post देखते हैं. I'm a TEDx speaker. Do you really think that I will just speak about something unless I know facts? So this was my experience with her. She was extremely rude and just a very negative energy. And these are facts, so these can be verified. I was selected for Nautanki Sala. You can verify it with the production team. I couldn't do it. I even went into readings with Ayushman, and Galen was there. Everybody was there. I couldn't do it because my dates were exactly the same as unke shootings pe. I was doing another project that time. And then Sonali Cable ke liye when I went, I had such a bad taste in my mouth because of this woman that I literally said no to the movie. I was like, Abhishek sir, I can't do it. मैं directly बोल भी नहीं पाई because एक lead वो play कर रही थी उस movie में. So what do you say? I mean, you can't tell a casting director sir मैं आपकी movie नहीं कर सकती हूँ because आपकी lead actress बहुत ही बदतमीज और rude है. But this was my experience, and now I'm saying it because I've had enough. I don't want random negative comments. And I don't want, I don't want any prejudice against me. If I'm speaking something, it is out of personal experience. I honestly did not want to bring a production house into this. I did not want to bring my casting director into this. But you guys have left me no choice. The trollers, the negative, the haters. And this is what I have to say. These facts are verifiable. You can go and I'm putting an open claim. जिसको जो पता करना है कर सकता है. I know I know that all these people जिनका मैंने नाम लिया है, they will verify it. Sonali Cable में I was supposed to play a glamorous character. उसके face पे वो केक फेंकता है उसके character रिया का. This was the entire storyline. I don't know अगर वो किरदार रहा या नहीं ultimately, but this was the role I was approached for. मुझे बोला गया था 3-4 दिन का काम है, बहुत glamorous character है, आप इसको कीजिए whatever. And I wanted to also work with Rohan sir because, during Nautanki Sala, I had developed a good rapport with him, and I went for readings and everything. And this babe was extremely negative. I'm saying it out loud. And I hope that this ends the discussion and my comments about her. I honestly did not want to bring a production house and a casting person. Did not want to take any names. But hey, I'm not going to stand for random bullshit judgment at the hands of anyone. And now I've said it. That this was my personal experience against her, and I did not think it was sophisticated. I did not think it was classy. I did not think that it was in good taste. And that's about it. So thank you guys, and I hope this ends the discussion on what I've said about Riya Chakravarti, whatever the heck her name is. Bye.